Hey guys, you have no idea what secrets the most ordinary-looking Lincoln pennies hide. Today, I'm going to show you some coins that sold for hundreds of thousands, and even over $1 million. Yes, you heard that right. One coin went for $1,136,000. Want to find out how a simple cent can make you a millionaire? Then stick with me until the end. This video might change the way you see coins forever. The first coin on our list is a rare 1970 Lincoln penny with a large date and double die obverse, graded mint state 65 red by PCGS. The 1970 penny comes into date varieties, large date and small date. Both are fairly common, but collectors like to have one of each to tell them apart. To distinguish between them, imagine two lines, one connecting the tops of the 9 and 0, and another connecting the bottoms of the 1 and 0. On the large date, the top of the 7 falls below the top line and the tip is below the bottom line. On the small date, the top of the 7 touches the top line and doesn't fall below the bottom line. This MS65 large date penny sold at auction for an impressive $17,600. Imagine, such a simple penny can be worth that much. Maybe it's already sitting in your collection. Number 6 on our list is the 1956 Lincoln penny in mint state, 67 plus red condition. What does that mean? The MS67 plus grade means the coin is almost flawless with minimal wear, a very high quality. The red designation indicates a bright red copper color. This kind of luster is highly prized by collectors. Interestingly, 1956 pennies in this condition are about 4 times scarcer at PCGS than at NGC, and this particular coin is one of just 3 with a plus designation at PCGS. This shows its exceptional quality. It displays vibrant fire-orange luster and a bold strike with no trace of carbon, meaning it hasn't toned or tarnished and looks stunning. This beauty sold for $57,600. If you have a similar coin, hold on to it tight. Number 5 is a rare 1923 Lincoln penny, minted in San Francisco, graded mint state 65 red. This coin was housed in an old green PCGS holder and is considered a top-grade registry coin. Most 1923 red pennies are graded only MS63 or MS64, making MS65 exceptionally rare. It has remarkably clean, satiny surfaces with uniform copper red luster and no carbon spotting. Even under 10x magnification, no major imperfections are visible. The strike is sharp and the eye appeal is outstanding, making this coin a true gem. Only one specimen has been graded higher by PCGS. It sold at auction for an impressive $66,000. Truly an exceptional piece. Number 4 is an incredibly rare 1914 Lincoln penny, minted in Denver D mint mark, graded mint state 66 red with a CAC sticker, confirming its premium quality. Although about 193,000 of these pennies were minted in 1914, it remains one of the rarest Lincoln pennies. Other dates from this period were targeted by speculators, resulting in higher survival numbers. Most surviving 1914 pennies come from a hoard of about 700 coins mentioned by numismatist Walter Breen, as well as from 2 rolls of spotted red and brown coins discovered in Hawaii or the Philippines during the 1970s. While the coin is sharply struck, many show moderate detail erosion due to heavy die polishing. For example, the lapel on Lincoln's coat is often lost. This highly sought-after penny sold for an impressive $109,000, a true collector's treasure. Number 3 is the legendary 1909 SVDB Lincoln penny, graded mint state 67 red by PCGS and verified by CAC. For generations of American coin collectors, this coin has been one of the most wanted and rare in the Lincoln cent series. It has the lowest mintage of any Lincoln cent issued for circulation and was rarely found in circulation. Had this low mintage occurred a few years into the series instead of at the very beginning, examples would be truly rare in mint state. Many were saved at the time due to controversy over the VDB initials. The public incorrectly assumed the coin would be withdrawn. The narrow spread over many grades confirms there is little difference in rarity below the gem level. Whatever the facts, the appeal of this coin is undeniable. No Lincoln cent collection is complete without it. This rare specimen fetched $345,500, a true numismatic legend. This coin is the 1969 Lincoln penny with a double die, one of the rarest and most valuable coins in American numismatics. According to Ha Hernandez from PCGS, this specimen was even listed on America's Most Wanted Coins. True 1969 doubled die pennies are extremely scarce today, but many new collectors confuse them with machine doubling, a defect caused when the coin dies bounce during striking. Machine doubling is very common and does not carry a premium. A true double die will not have doubling on the mint mark because it was punched separately. Machine doubled coins show doubling on the mint mark along with most or all legends and devices. A true 1969 double die penny shows strong doubling on the date, which appears down and to the right, and is prominent on the words Liberty and In God We Trust. This specimen sold for an impressive $601,000, a true legend among coins. And finally, the most expensive coin in our video is the 1958 Lincoln penny in mint state, 65 red, graded by PCGS. According to PR News, this coin was owned by the famous medalist and sculptor Stuart Blaw of New York, who passed away at age 71 in November. His collection of 276 mint condition Lincoln cents dating back to 1909, with a combined face value of only $276, sold over a series of 6 auctions for $7,731,811. Double dies occur when the metal used to strike coins is struck twice incorrectly, causing all coins minted with that die to appear doubled. This mismade 1958 Lincoln penny with severe doubling, and some doubled lettering sold for a record $1,360,000 by Great Collections of Irvine, California. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. See you in the next episode.